Hey children, good morning. Do you know which topic we are going to learn today? We are going to learn about birds. Yes, we are going to learn about birds today. Birds are small animals. They are beautiful creatures of nature. Most of the birds can fly in the sky. They use their beak to eat. Their wings are covered with feathers. There are so many types of birds. Birds have beaks and claws. Birds eat fruits, grains, worms, insects, etc. Birds usually make nests on the trees or on the roof of the house. They make nests by collecting twigs. Yes, they lay eggs in the nests. We see birds in different sizes. The biggest bird is ostrich and the smallest bird is hummingbird. People like to keep birds as pets. Most popular pets are parrots who imitate human sounds. Birds are of different colors. Peacock and kingfisher come with beautiful colors. The people love to spot them. Crow and cuckoo are in black color, while the swans and doves are white in color. Birds like eagle and vulture can fly high in the sky. Eagle is called the king of birds because their eyesight is very sharp. Cuckoo and nightingale are singing birds. Do you know the owl can see even in the darkness? Kiwi and cock cannot fly. Some birds live in water like swan, duck, heron, etc. Penguins cannot fly, but they can swim very well. Now, let us see the birds and their sounds. Now let us see birds with their babies.
Crane. Crane's baby is called colt. Dove. Dove's baby is called squab or squeaker. Duck. Duck's baby is called a duckling. Eagle. Eagle's baby is called eaglet. Goose. Goose baby is called gooseling. Bat. Bat's baby is called a pup. Owl. Owl's baby is called An owlet. Crow. Crow's baby is called a chick. Peacock. Peacock's baby is called a peachick. Penguin. Penguin's baby is called a chick. Pigeon. Pigeon's baby is called squab or squeaker. Hen. Hen's baby is called a chick. Birds can dance.
Play a game now. Are you all ready to play this game? Come on. Let us see which bird is this. Let us spin the wheel. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Is it a pigeon? No. Let's spin the wheel again. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Is it a hen? No. Let's spin the wheel again. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Now, is this a duck? Let us see. Yes, it's a duck. Now, let's see which bird is this. Let's spin the wheel. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Is this a parrot? No, this is not a parrot. Now, let's spin the wheel once again. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And let's see. Is this a crow? No. Now, let's spin the wheel one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Is this a hen? Yes, this is a hen. You're right. This bird. Let's spin the wheel. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Is this a pigeon? No. This is not a pigeon. Let's spin the wheel one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Is this a hen? No, this is not a hen. Let's spin the wheel one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Now, is this a crow? Let's match this. Yes, this is a crow. You're right. Bird is this? Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Is this a peacock? No, this is not a peacock. Let's spin the wheel one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Is this a duck? No, this is not duck. Let's spin the wheel for one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Is this a pigeon? Yes, this is a pigeon. Let's see the next bird. I think I know this bird. But let's spin the wheel. Boom, boom, boom. Is this a duck? No, this is not a duck. Let's spin for one more time and see which bird is this. Boom, 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 boom. Is this a crow? No, this is not a crow. Let's spin it. Come on, let's spin. Come on. I'm eagerly waiting. Come on, let's see. Is this a peacock? Yes. Yes, this is a peacock. You're right, children. This is a peacock. Let's see this bird. Yes, let's spin the wheel. Boom, 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 boom. Is this a pigeon? No, this is not pigeon. Let's spin it. Boom, 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 boom. Is this a crow? No, this is not crow. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I think this bird matches with the shadow. I think this is a parrot. Yes, this is a parrot. Okay, children, that's all for today. We shall meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye-bye, everybody.